the developments on social media internationally as well with regard to several international protesters, actors, singers and the like on the farmer protests. There have been massive reactions, remember, in India over the last 24 hours. One of the reactions has been to the tweet made by the Swedish teenager, the 18-year-old girl, Greta Thunberg, who's actually tweeted earlier on saying how people could be a part of the protests over here. That has had a lot of reactions over here, with the Delhi police deciding to investigate who was behind the so-called toolkit which she had tweeted, which had details on how people across the world could be a part of these protests. So the Delhi police, without naming her as a suspect, has in fact said that they would investigate and look into who wrote that toolkit which Greta Thunberg, the 18-year-old Swedish teenager, had actually tweeted out. So here's what the police said. In the process of social media monitoring, we came across one particular document which was uploaded on one of the social media handles on a particular platform. This toolkit has a particular section in this document which says that it is titled Prior Action Plan. We've not named anybody in the FIR. It is only against the creators, in other words, the authors of the toolkit, which is the matter of investigation, and the Delhi police will be investigating this. So you people are aware of that, is what the Delhi police is there. I don't want to name it here. So they haven't exactly named any specifics, but in terms of that toolkit itself, it is what Greta Thunberg had tweeted out. She had that particular toolkit was subsequently modified and put back. So this is something the Delhi police is looking at very, very strongly. And some of the allegations, some of the charges which they are looking at are very strong. Sedition, criminal conspiracy, these are some of the grounds which the Delhi police will be looking at in terms of seeing just what the nature of the offence is. Let's go across now to NDTV's Arvind Gunasekara, who's been tracking this. Arvind, can you hear me?
Yeah, Vishnu.
Right. So what are the grounds on which not Greta Thunberg as a suspect, but that toolkit which she tweeted out and the authors of that are being investigated?
Yeah, Vishnu, that toolkit which she tweeted is the center of the investigation. That's the prime focus of the investigation. So the Delhi police, taking cognizance of that particular toolkit, has registered an FIR invoking strong sections like sedition and also criminal conspiracy, and also section 153A, which is promoting enmity between two groups. So these three are the important sections that the Delhi police has invoked in its FIR. Though the Delhi police has made it clear that they have not named anyone as accused in the accused column of the FIR, but they have said that the toolkit which was uploaded on a social media platform by a user has been taken cognizance by the Delhi police, and then FIR has been registered and the probe has been handed over to the crime branch, to cyber cell to probe the matter. So he also, the Delhi police senior officials, the special CP Pravi Ranjan, he also went on to explain how this particular toolkit had a complete detailed version of the events, and what he went on to say is that this particular toolkit was used to instigate, to promote disharmony and also to promote enmity between two groups in India. That's why the agency has taken cognizance of the toolkit and has registered an FIR.
So Arvind, just a few more details which we've got over here. This is from a Delhi police handle. It's called Dil Ki Police, Delhi Police. It's a tick mark Twitter handle which says that the Delhi police has, I'm reading from it, the Delhi police has taken cognizance of a toolkit document found on a social media platform that predates and indicates a copycat execution of a conspiracy behind the 26 January violence. The call was to wage economic, social, cultural and regional war against India. So they believe that this is what Greta Thunberg, the teenager, has tweeted out was, in other words, what the government of India feels, or rather the Delhi police feels, is a recipe to attacking India itself. It sounds almost outlandish.
Yeah, Vishnu. In fact, the tweet that has been made by the Delhi police official handle now is the exact statement that was read out by the special CP Pravi Ranjan. So he read out the entire exact statement here. So coming to Greta Thunberg, they have made it clear that no one has been named as an accused in the FIR. And they also went on to say that as of now, the investigation is looking into the creators of this particular toolkit. That's what they said. When media asked him, so because he didn't take Greta Thunberg's name in the statement. So when media asked him, so who is this social media handler who tweeted this toolkit and then who took it down? And then for that he said that media, you guys are well aware of it, so I don't want to take any name here. So that's what he clearly said. That so Delhi police stopped naming Greta Thunberg here, but the FIR has not named anyone as an accused. So as of this moment, the FIR primarily focuses on the toolkit and also the authors of this toolkit.
All right, Arvind, we'll leave it over there. A tweet put out by the Swedish 18-year-old activist Greta Thunberg. The contents of that tweet are being investigated. While she is not an accused right now, the message attached to her tweet is being looked at, and the allegations, the charges the Delhi police is investigating on the contents of that tweet are very serious. They say that this was the toolkit document was found on a social media platform that predates and indicates a copycat execution of a conspiracy behind the 26th of January violence. The call was to wage economic, social, cultural and regional war against India. This was the content of a tweet which put out by an 18-year-old activist.
In the process of social media monitoring, we have come across one particular document which was uploaded on one of the social media handles on a particular platform. This toolkit has a particular section in this document which says that it is titled Prior Action Plan. So we have not named anybody in the FIR. It is only against the creators of the toolkit, which is a matter of investigation, and Delhi police will be investigating that case. See, you people are aware of that, so I don't want to name it here.
Please name that, because that is saying what does
I think most of you are aware of this. उस toolkit को एक particular खालिस्तानी प्रो खालिस्तानी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जिसका नाम पोएटिक जस्टिस फाउंडेशन है, इसके द्वारा इसकी ऑथरशिप दिखाई गई है और इस डॉक्यूमेंट में एक एक्शन प्लान डिलिनेट किया गया है, जिस एक्शन प्लान में ये बताया गया है कि 26 जनवरी के बाद 26 जनवरी और उसके आसपास डिजिटल स्ट्राइक करना है, एक ट्वीट स्टॉर्म करना है 23 जनवरी के ऑनवर्ड्स, एक फिजिकल एक्शन करना है 26 जनवरी को, और फार्मर्स प्रोटेस्ट और जो मार्च 26 जनवरी को होना था उसको या तो ज्वाइन करना है या इसको वॉच करना है, कैसे ये दिल्ली में प्रवेश करता है और फिर वापस ये बॉर्डर पे जाता है।